kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park guku Nairobi kuria atongoria a makanitha ma kiroho meguthaganitio mahoya ma kuhoera thayu bururi-ini. Mahoya maria megwikinyitio ni President Kenyatta na ahuraniri angi eri a giturwa kia President Professor Mwanya na Uhuru Park. Atongoria makanitha maya makihoera thayu wa bururi mbere hindi na thutha wa githurano kinene giukite. Ni hindi ya mahoya maria ningi President Kenyatta, Professor Mwanya na Uhuru Park meeraniire guthingatithia thayu mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene giukite.
I, Professor Mwanya, being a Kenyan citizen, do hereby pledge to be a peaceful person, to promote and maintain peace during the campaigns, the elections, and after the elections.
I will use all my power at my disposal to ensure that true peace reigns in this great city of Nairobi and the Kenyan nation.
Oh, help me, God, to fulfill this solemn vow. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God.
I, Uhuru Kenyatta, being a Kenyan citizen, do hereby pledge to be a peaceful person, to promote and maintain peace during the campaigns, the elections, and after the elections.
Ni mahoya maria megwikinyitio ni magana ma a Kenya, atongoria kaheri a thirikari na atongoria a kaunti ya Nairobi magitongorio ni Gavana Evans Kidero. Atongoria a kidini magititirithiria aria marahona iturwa ngurani guku bururi-ini guthingatithia thayu mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene giukite. No atongoria a mung'ethaniro na saba matiuma mahoya-ini macio ma Uhuru Park no maguthaganitie mahoya ofici-ini ciao guku Nairobi. Ni hindi ya mahoya maria aria mari na tigiti wa mung'ethaniro mahoirwo mbere ya atongoria ao kuhoerwo.
In the name of Jesus Christ, Father, we thank you. In Jesus.
No hindi ya mahoya macio atongoria aya matinariria muingi uria uma ofici-ini icio.
Nation, for the glory and the honor of your name. We use this anointing oil.
Mahoya mangi matanyitwo guthaganio rucio Jumamothi magitongorio ni atumia kiharo-ini kiu kia Uhuru Park.
As they take on the victory, we shall give you all the glory and the honor in your name.
Ribotera Inooro TV ritore kono masharia wa Gashuru.